Okay, FM 101.7.
Madawruma. Na mami nkoe na mini Mustafa Gbandi, Deputy Director, Operations, Presidency, Deputy General Secretary of the NDC. Entry Kobo. Mustafa me wache.
Mama Jozo.
Na bokoriye.
Afaradia yadom.
Ye fro so amfa. Hey, aden.
Fase jum ariya sanu sei. Sosi ya no. O friend bia Deputy Director na ka ori agage me.
Wow.
Me da see Deputy General Secretary.
Mabo sesi ya Deputy General Secretary.
Because MPP for no. Am kasa si am political party no. They said me so me respond womo as the Deputy General Secretary. Now they be question director there na say me person me kan me kan ye.
Me ni Owura Mustafa Gbandi were Deputy General Secretary of the NDC and
I don't come to no.
Sir.
To baby I would put him as a pa.
Say
that what an court.
Ye bende kakra.
Na me say we as a connected today.
Why is our own?
Or remote no influence kakra. Second MPP for your mother.
Wow. Why you body? Na maba uncha no pay ya.
Yeah.
Enra. So we ya MPP for any nipa bia anamontua His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana etu efa the removal of the Chief Justice. You know, wamu kwa demonstration and wamu to save the judiciary. Na yes also tiasi enyeyi. Ada wobi ni right so called demonstration. And assembly hanwa we ni who right say we demonstrate on that.
Oh, ofa. Madawa sepa. Na you na said na the radia say MPP for my kunya amaya tumre ya kiresi ina ko sise ko mu hasen President Akufo-Addo abreso obi anye demonstration say amoa ni abotu ya motu ya just said in social goods na enen so no ye nuanom apart from boni a wobodi rukurum ha enanu ye o ma sa timi agada wo mo ho a o mo ye demonstration Ghana fo na edin a wo mo hwe wo mo a wo mo akwakosi ewi ya for the first time wo mo kra no etimi aba Jubilee House about the president petition. Ashiensi awon kofia obi ada ne ho atono. Samre ya yetui ni sie ne say you couldn't get the same treatment under President Akufo-Addo no me oye lawyer ni. Ti express ne ye wo obatan obi a wo abadaye obi a obo ho oman ho aban obi a ohwe obi a se kru no Ghana fo nyina de to obi antimi ntam man nyeye na so MPP for demonstration wo ye no mo butaye a wo koye no na ye hu adanadi say one, they were inconsistent in even what they wanted. One will be echo demonstration because one percent one year woman did no a woman is a woman in Rabidinti. Young fire won't come back at demonstration. I say, yes, party follow, said your boo dear, one more could defend them. Number two, woman see us na Justice Tokununti and one more. NDC for the woman Justice Tokunu and the Nia said and another constitution no Supreme Court near MPP headquarters and another fee into one woman who said and Mano Yejma and Yejma nyina no ọma ka ho abetwam ekori ase no wom so sesi ade President John Mahama ne pese o 3 times nti enu o pese oyi Justice Tokunu na kese wom de wom timi ehu se asemi beba de be kọ no court na court no bebua eye John Mahama nti na court no bebua nti na wom kọ demonstration kwame ti ubisa mi nua no se mutai be mpanti en wom sorry ya wom kọ sanko for free win ba apojo ma case constituency ho wom de bi free kuma se ba he
wa ayi me we sadio na ya na me kase evidence wey
oh me wa so wom wie ye ma me kan tell
me too
apojo ma case wie ya demonstration wom wie ye no ne nkrofo no a wom ba demonstration esa akọ win ba bia wom confirm DC a wom se demonstration ta de nto bi ehu acha pictures a yekura so
okay
yes no omo ye demonstration ye kita camera ne yetwa obi appointee bi a wa wie ska o kira demonstration no yetwa obi a picture so ti ehu obi a so there is an inconsistency from eniama enuanum bisa also ne response to deputy chief of staff ma won and my demonstration they useless clear. It died on arrival. But the only important thing I see demonstration mu ba ye and so they say mo ko demonstration ya bom ho ban kwami nim say kaya bi mu kaya ready sanka ikoto yogurt na e bi hia ye nuan mo wo ye demonstration no sabe be ya obia en collapse because of a com
ante kamu koto yogurt akomo
ya be bua wo mo so mo ye nuan mo ye kana fo mo ye togo fo
nukre
enti obi ya demonstration eye oyekre se that enne wa frame ya ye nyina no bye bye ne bye bye na obi ko ya demonstration under President Akufo-Addo na edi etu abono na edi nsuo edi a nsuo hye edi agu no so kosi fori mu na omo ye ta na ma no enne nso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama tre wo mo se amammu enye ahantan ena no yi aye ko no kwawu so wo di wani febi
yeah
and I say Omanpenyi John Dramani Mahama o bagi Akufo-Addo and all freno and all smiley wakatra me say amammu nye ahantan President Akufo-Addo address no mu na nanim no ase court no de ayi friend the handkerchief asem no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no mu na nanim na wetwem on tia obia na odu ayi ase a ahemfo sorry no no oyantia no. So it's clear, sir. It is possible for this country to be governed with good leadership. That is what the MPP demonstration have showed us. That is the leadership trait of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ayi, Sandra ni omukoye omuhu okoti. And in Guasia Basa. So is that how the MPP want to revise?
Wamu di asema kwa court no na emwa ma wamu enu nsa ni ani buase.
Oh, na say ayi enka lawyer be different. Ena de accept no court wa. Me de anya me nwanwa. Na Attorney General, former Attorney General. Wo fe dame. Na wo sorry this adwe we tire. Wo government nyama amuyeye nyina tire afedi udi cram tire sembi ada udi tire wonu ni akoto wo mu okoto ho se ya kan sa bia wo mu ye no en tramra kwan so ana obia mumra President Mahama lawyer for na cha no hwasia o sabe President Mahama womu a omunim de ene twa no hwasia enye gusiafo enti omutonofo etonofo sabe obeya oman no obekura ne yiye amana ba ka behwe na bonni a MPP fo modi wo kromu ha omanya mo bono ni esan tetere man na mo sorry a instead of say mo ba ko bu grassroots a mo punish wo mo 8 years wo mo nya adwuma nya 8 years mo penny for the master ye campaign MPP for ni grassroots MPP national executive ya nko grassroots me hu obi wo baby election day na me wo Eastern region me nsia MPP ni ba ko pe ketijemfu ase otifie eno all tons amane se me de eniema etuni langa afwako Eastern region obo mpue and mo punish mo party for and a Ghana for reject him sabio eye say John mo abreso a wo for say John mo abreso a kan ne MPP for be branches wo makopa wo mo cho Debbie na do atrofie and wa high Apenyo Markins and Apenyo Markins then revive the collapsing empire of President Akufo-Addo nti and abese the team wait police fu a wo mo bo ban no akwa police ni asum
me ba cha wo sa asem na nsi police ni na apem ne bo wo se bo
Kwame o ye court no
ba cha me nye court
me hu video sir minority leader Otto Nsa Kwame
ya send him Isaac no send him me why
ebia party executive there is ade no a ye beka say party executive ebia foot soldier bi na koye saa ye beka say foot soldier bi ya o mutimi react overboard minority leader of Ghana's parliament onu a o say nyansa nyina o wiase ada ne tim
but to be fair to him Miss Mahu video a police ni adene sa bon koko esa piano
Oba Kwame say no kwa na hear the worst of it o
ade police ni
Apenyo Markins a the bodyguard brand 13 gram black bi
me ba jo
onu na hear the cameraman na sa brand no hu tu onu na the bodyguard unni Apenyo Markins pa so pue ni fie ko ba bia ayi motoke di nanim
oh there be me who sad
Apenyo Markins is well fortified and protected
over demonstration there say sabre
come on me enti Apenyo Markins will not go to demonstration without his bodyguard I'm telling you and I will give you a picture of Apenyo Markins bodyguard following him
why police ni ana wonye police ni
why
the bodyguard no
why police ni
so
enti obi police ni the master nsin no timi de nsa obstrene nsa to minority leader so and run any baby the Lord doesn't allow Apenyo Markins to throw his hands we are not in a country a management
but what petition IGP say
see in the logic and mindset of the MPP so you did bonia you find any petition wa bonte so I am just hoping that Parliament very release no ya nya sadie we ya e kira
on pesa Parliament be release no dem what also on pesa Parliament ko be release no wo mo emfa phone kura am frɛ no say braha anope yi a obekɔ
yo me say wakwakobo police ni esu that is the record
police ni bi so abonebo yesi no ntimi hu me kra
me say obi di boni a emani ni pani ne bi
okay
have we gotten to a stage the police ni edi boni a na ni Mustafa kwakobo na sum e wo demonstration ase kwame emra on ta manyo sam ni yeyo ye nyina etu bebi a ye nya na pepepe edu sanso a na wo de ahomrase na wo de apacho sanso we de abufuo mu ana e bae ni ye nyina ya ko school na nam ha sen wo Apenyo Markins we peti ye nyina ya kase ni wo waje no eno no ni ano kra no abra ye nim se ebumra so obi ehu no and MPP for him so one minute demonstration One 8 years, I want to travel. Now say you are non opposition. First demonstration, I'm more pesca, more patrol. Now, one muska. Now, the acquired demonstration, minority leader, will be a summa. I don't think they will ever dream of organizing that demonstration. And that's true. And Kwame say a better demonstration. Fagano, NDC phone you have better them. Ghana phone you have better them. Now, you share one I don't think they would have organized it. They are disappointed. They are very disappointed. Say, demonstration in fast one say, Obia who say, Peter Markins is not just arrogant, but he is also a violent individual. At his level, as a lawyer, senior politician in this country, and now who the MPP could name Honorable Atufo Semoya, Peter Markins were him. Didn't he see? Doesn't he learn from his brothers? Now, dear, what done Rambo? And I will go police force who use our petition. It's better here. Now, Kwame, we will not let MPP waste our time. Sir, they try to incite the people of Ghana for no reason. Sir, above Akokra order them. Na MPP for 30 years. How does that work? Asamoah enim na MPP for Akokra opposition wey ya womu ba ye. Womu feel say inciting the public against the government will be what will make them relevant, and that's true. And there you can say, "Oh, come, who national service? National service I know. Womu dia dane krono kruwa, womu wie film no. 54,000 ghost names times over 800 Ghana cedis every month. Na okwabrania chedi. And national service branch na o ti hono. No your regional director na pamo no. Asoko no ma wadane ho amba womu tia national service allowance arrears nyina. And now you can say May April allowance kwa yetia ama maburu no
any esa mo buy number 2 sika na nam sika ni ho no
tie national service do kria efom si ye de boa man na ye ka say president Akufo-Addo abreso wa ofa Udo free agric minister friends
Dr. Akoto free
Akoto no di planting for food and jobs anim ye ko wi here no eko wa for da Ghana for ka say president Akufo-Addo ababebo emo ene abrubo si a wan tiaka so what difference no within 4 months President Mahama Kwako launch Feed Ghana program wa ye pa Ghana for nyina cho so we NDC new we MPP new ye nyina ye nwuram na obia eni hu faso. That is leadership. And within 4 months in government dollar and then see am the dollar mamia me ko bank akwa akosisa no ko be tell me nim ye besi na within 4 months, 8 months, who the Kenoforia Cabinet Trump, the friend say finance ministry. Anna Kenoforia Kadi Abro, Tio, one here, so one go school, one being, one go Yale. Now so, at 2 40 even though so called Oxford. Said the wire into Ghana food bisa say MPP for better akonya so no na wo mo adwin a wo mo dwin bukaya wo budu ma na o mo fa ne free him no o mo fa ne free him Kwame granted say sikaro na edafutum ene yɛbɛhu yanambwa adan nti na ɔmo Ghana fo akɔ saa hawo yi mu abra sika ɛda hɔ Ghana fo adi MPP fo bɔne ana President Nanado Ghana hiafo adi bɔne ana ɛnna yɛkɛsɛ health insurance kɔbɔkɔ me ne di hu kɔmɔ and the President Akufo-Addo health insurance egu it collapsed. Mama, me or Tekurate cannot go to the hospital.
Okay,
Dr. Bampo, Afiko no mawe. Na nte ya no ba ye. We tia hospitals ni nyina ka Ghana health insurance de wo moka. Enei National Health Insurance be ye adwuma ama Ghana for ho. Ntu bi sa wo say President Akufo-Addo obetra kunya so. Where was he implementing his policies from? Oko Minister of Education. Where would you happen you honorable Haruna Idrisu? Oko school what Tamale ya.
I know.
Ana adichu muko Ibrahim school. Na podi mi nimbe bia oko school fi ho.
Oko prempe eno ba.
No ba he.
Tech.
Ayo.
Ken UST. Yeah.
Who became who say? Was it ever going to be possible, sir? 4 months down the line, won't he complain on their own free SHS? Yes, young council yet. Their own free SHS are the buyer. Was it ever possible, sir? 4 months, won't he complain via your ma eco squad? Omutiti, balanced diet. I'm school quality video. Sir, I will fall here. Said you was it ever going to be possible? And now, if you see the reforms, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, and the bad Minister of Education, who said, did God curse the MPP? Did he block their brains? Did God prevent them from just thinking right?
But you can credit them to say, Dr. Say Obichum, Obeye B. Pa.
Oh, the Biamekase.
Yeah.
Sir, Papa, no. I like him. What do you say?
Nice
I like
one.
him.
Nice one.
But it is also on the record that they supervise will be every month there are 11 million Ghana cedis. You clear for internet. Abra school, no secondary school had internet.
Then you say no.
One secondary school class.
It is where money bank court na.
Okay.
Where money bank court.
Oh, come in. Sir, I go no better. If you are not. And you'll be on the best you will be. So no about corona. Court to the other court. Then court from my form. Court to the air. One make up. It will say that a full fees and by this time. You say MPP phone, including President Akufo-Addo. And when a Ghana for that is one highest expectation of the people of Ghana, sir. Young MPP phone to keke. Ebra
obi ni bone.
Enye bi na mabo akire oyi.
Ti fa move and go court.
And the honorable Adutum ene akoyi a me nua yi a osebi osofo yi a okota Ntoto airport fosu yi. Reverend Tim Fojo.
Me say
Musa adresu
enave. Me mbese bia ye be ye be di asem wo ha. So movies will be afumra with this co said the old boy.
Mama
court.
This is the first time within 4 months you can boast of having a government. Can do it any? President Louis Abreso. Okay, sir, it take over 6 months. And Ghana, this is quite okay.
Emma. President Rawlings can say as if they are in government.
Exactly. Because that transition and President Mahama, President Mahama call now your court. Even that it took us over a year for a government to be set up. to fully function. President Akufo-Addo number 1. Asa or power sa woman ko for ya woman be di eboni 110 minutes here. Or tell Ghana for the one more credentials. President Mahama Busiafo na go school. Say na nyansa bako kura woman medenedi.
Ya run up na men ko ya bimra ayo.
No. President Akufo-Addo used over 8 months to 9 months to set up the government. Really, President Akufo-Addo number 2. Wanye reshuffle abonti obi nkomo obi mba no odi wo mu chance no because of centralized corruption ti wan se sa obi a wo mu ano
na mo
ye call 6 months
and na
President Mahama within 2.5 months have set up a government. President Mahama within 4 months is implementing policies. Even at the time when you need ambassadors as a government, who need ambassadors are you a government? Ministers are your power. Woman, you know the same name. CEOs are your power. Woman need boards, but a near air coffee. Even within 4 months, and so because there is delay in bringing justice to the people of Ghana, I agree, but it's legitimate. So within the 4 months, you couldn't have done more than we are doing. Open why you say and share a funny pardon. A corner bell.
Kofo ko an kan
and the MPs for 1 2 ombo. No one petty. No one travel. Na mbugi no e be sa afia.
Mame na wase pa na me senya mpanso fama. Na next President Mahama say in a 4 months stewardship of the country, no, the better Gamboa.
To a man you may 8 o'clock.
Yeah,
but TV, MPP4, and the woman in the Guase. And then the woman who said, Sir, Amango, a Kumapa, any answer, and yet journey a hand time, and if you can dear whom appetite, any of the woman. And that woman who said, Omid in someone. I say one political party, no. I'm very sad when I see a party for many opinion and abimu and Justin Kodiamu move to so appointees a one year party, but Omada Boko no party no, but no other party, there's no more so one so. Today they will see.
Mate, Mamma was no pay.
Baba. Make I don't do the marriage, yo.
Mate,
may try me salary.
Why? Mama. Okay, 101.7 in the na Mustafa Gbandi and Yedena Deputy General Secretary of the NDC.
Okay, FM 101.7.